Okay, so we're going down into the Great Shed and the North Shed down here. Got all your things along here. I think finally I'll be able to actually catch the Flying Scotsman in here, seeing as I can never manage to catch it. So I'll just wait for the rest of my family to get up here and then I'll show you inside.
Help yourself.
Okay, so now we're in the humongous shed. Got a nice Eurostar here and then a Eurostar here. But one of the things I'm most excited about is this Eurostar, yes, and the Class 800. And also the Model Railway, which is down there. We've got a nice bullet train and a Class 43. Let's have a look what we've got on here. Okay, so this up here by the looks of it looks more or less like a kind of Russian train, I'm guessing. And then, if any of you are watching Thomas and Friends, which I used to when I was a lot littler, you've got Neville. So Neville is a C1, a Southern C1, Pacific I think. And because this place is so incredible, they have a literal second Stephenson's rocket all the way over there. Oh, sorry, this isn't a C1, it was a Q1. I just read that for a bit quickly. I don't know where all the stuff like the mallard and stuff is, but I think this is what they would call a rail zeppelin. Something like this. This is a GWR one. Nice chocolate and cream colour. And over here we've got some trains, LMS trains, Pacific, I guess. This is 2500. Whoa, look at this here. This is a tunnel train, I think. So, well, it's a channel tunnel train. So yeah, oops, I almost dropped my phone. This is another little train, and then we've got a northeastern aero light train here as well. Yeah. Bless me. Yeah, here's the back end of the train. So yeah, here it is. This is a nice train here. I'm not too sure what it is. I'm sure there'll be a nameplate or something on this side, some information. Here it is here. This is Hippopotamus class number 1275 here. This is from 1874, but here we've got, as I was saying, another Stephenson's rocket replica from, look at this. Still quite old. Okay. So I just got that here. Oh look, big areas cut out just to show you how it works in here. You look, and here as well we've got your steam valve. Sorry. And then you've got steam engines over here, and then the infamous Evening Star over here. Sorry about all these bad angles, as there are just too many people here. So yeah, here's the Evening Star. It's too big to get in a single thing. Down there we have a little model. got loads of little models by the looks of it. $150 there. And over here we've got this. I'll get the running number in a second as I just get round to the other side. So the giant engine. This is D8 treble 0, and this is the gigantic engine here. So let's get this again. This isn't humongous for it to be in here. So yeah, I think I'm going to go in the model room, well, the model railway room after this, and then we'll so need to try and find the Flying Scotsman. Not entirely sure where it is. Oh guys, I've just seen a big one over here. I'll see you when I get to it. Okay, so right here we've got two trains here. We've got this one here, and then we've got this, which is actually a double-sided steam engine. But look over here, we've got the two Deltics. This one has 2,000 horsepower, and there we've got the original Deltic right there. I'll try and get it in a better position. So this is D9002. And over here, we have another train. This is another diesel train. This is D1023, and then, as I was saying, the best of the best, the Mallard. Here's the Mallard here. I'm guessing Flying Scotsman, as I can kind of see, is in the north shed. So there's the Mallard, proud as it stands. Okay, so I'll go and have a bit more of a look. Oh god, I also see another nice little train over here. Ooh, 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 go, 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 go. This, I don't know how I didn't see it before, is the Duchess of Hamilton. So I'm going to show you inside of this beautiful engine. So there's the inside of this engine here. And then we've got the carriages all the way down there. So yeah, that's the Duchess of Hamilton. I think I'm going to go see the Flying Scotsman now. So we're in this area now. I forgot what it was called, but it was something to do with like bullet trains and stuff. And the clip before this, you saw the what's it called? The modern miniature railway. Hope you like that. I got a few cinematic shots. So I think this is pretty much all for this room. It's a bit boring. It smells really bad as well, so yeah. Okay, so actually right before my eyes I've just found this. This is another 1829 there. This one is not a replica. This is the real thing here. There it is in all of its glory. Ignoria. Stratford and Morton wagon, 1826. So this is very old. Got all this here, and we're going to have a little look inside the second class carriage. Oh wow, it's nice in here. It's just a little cab area for you to enjoy yourself. With a little light there. I don't know if that was in there when it first came out. We've also got third class just up there, and then second. Well, this is first class here. It's split into second class, I think. I think this is second and first. Yeah, first class here is in the middle for some reason, just one. And then you've got second class on the sides, and then we've got second class at the back, and then we've got third class with no roof or anything there. Okay, so I'm going to try and find my family again, because I just run off. Because they said I could, just to see around all the engines. I'm going to try and find them, and then we're going to go actually to see the Flying Scotsman.